Hello, this is Anja with another tutorial. Today a tutorial about a very useful, nice little audio editing tool. If you have some audio tracks that you would like to cut or tweak a little bit before you add them to your video, this is also why you would like to use an audio editing software. So let's go to Google, type in Audacity and just search for it. Take any of the hits, the first one or whatever, and then go ahead and find the latest version and click on download. Now, as far as I know, as far as I can see here, it is only for PCs, it's not for Macs. But anyway, Macs are so good and so well equipped with any kind of audio and video editing software that I believe that a Mac might have a kind of audio editing software anyway. So just go ahead and download it, save. As usually, go to C, Programs, and just to find the place where you want to download it and go on Save. I'm not going to do this right now because I have it already. And then an icon will be installed on your desktop. So after installation, go and start Audacity by clicking on the icon, or you can start it by going through Windows, Start, and then select the program. So here is how it looks like. Pretty simple, very intuitive. Let's say I would like to record my voice, so go on Record. Here you can see my voice, blah blah blah, and yeah, and here you can edit the volume. Now it's louder, the microphone is louder. Just make it a little bit lower, and just take care that it's not too loud, which means it has to remain between those borders, otherwise it will cut the peaks, which you do not want. Okay, let's stop it. Now you can edit it, you can cut a portion that you do not want to have by marking it and deleting. So first listen where is the part that you do not want to have, and then go ahead and mark this part by holding the left mouse button and then scrolling over it. So mark it. And to be able to edit it, you must press stop. When you only pause it, it will not work. You must go on stop. Now you can delete it by simply pressing the delete key on your keyboard. And that's it. Gone. The part you wanted to erase is gone. Now save it. If you go to Save Project As, find a nice place, then you will save the Audacity project, not the audio track. It will be saved as a special Audacity project. If you want to have the audio track saved, then you have to select Export as MP3 versus the project. It's like with Movie Maker. When you save the Movie Maker file, it's not the same as saving as video. So same story here. Export as MP3 will create an MP3, or export as WAV will create another audio. And then also go ahead, find a place to save it, give it a nice name, and remember where you have stored it. Now this is how I save my recording, but the other way around it works as well. If you want to edit an MP3, then just go ahead and open the file that you want to put in, like open an MP3. That's the way how you put it into Audacity and can edit it. And another way to import audio track is to just open a folder where you have some music, some audio, and just drag and drop. Take the MP3 that you want to select for Audacity and just put it over, and it's importing. And what you see is that the new track will be added below the first one. So you can go ahead and take a third audio and also drag and drop it and have 3 or 4 or 5. I don't even know what's the limit. You can have maybe 10 or more tracks below each other. Now what will happen is now you can listen to all of them at the same time. So let's do this. I'm going to say, so this is the beginning of the recording, or you can click anywhere in this area and just say play. And now you hear the voice and the music at the same time. Now the music is too loud. My voice is being overruled here. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I would like to make the audio track a little bit lower. To do this, you have to mute one of the tracks, with these buttons, mute, you can select which track you do not want to hear and not want to edit. The muted one will not be edited. Or you can do it the other way around. There is also the solo button. It's the invert command of mute. So either play solo or say which one you want to mute. In this case I will mute my voice because I do not want to edit this one, and keep the audio, the music below active so that I can edit it. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller to see the whole track, and I'm going to mark the whole track again by clicking the left mouse button and just scroll over it. And here you have a lot of options. Just play around a little bit, see what all you can do. It's a lot of stuff. But first press stop when you want to edit, and now go in effects and find the appropriate thing that you want to change. There are a lot of options. For example, you can even play your recording backwards if you like. There are some phaser and I don't know what effects if you might play around. But basically we're going to lower the noise right now. Okay, and it's already done. You see it's not that big anymore, which means it's not that loud. So let's see what we have done here. Make it a little bit bigger again. Scroll to the beginning and unmute my voice here. Just click in somewhere and let's say play. Okay, and now you hear it's better than before. It's not louder than my voice. And you can play around until you have it as wanted. Now another command which I would like to show you quickly is this little double arrow. With that one selected, you can move the tracks. Now click with the left mouse button into the track and then move it, and you see the whole track can be moved as you like. So you can put it at the end of my voice, so the music would start after my talk, or at any place else. And then don't forget to go back and click this button. With this activated, you can again go ahead and edit whatever you like. Now another thing we would like to do is to fade out the end of the audio so that it doesn't cut off that hard. So just go to the end of your track and mark the last portion. Then go to Effects, find the option for fading out, and here is the immediate result. And in case you want to get rid of one of the tracks, simple, just click on the little X here in the front and the track disappears. And if you want to create a new file, just go on File, New, and you can start from scratch with a new recording. So that's basically it. It's very simple, very useful as I think, and nice thing, it's for free. So again, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please comment on it, rate it, and as usual, please subscribe. There will be more useful stuff for you. Watch out for new videos. Thank you. Bye.